Welcome to Happier Banking 101, where we educate you on your financial options. Today, we're going to share 3 tips for buying your new car with no regrets. You get in a car, you smell that new car scent, you see all the options that it comes with, and by the time your test drive is over, logic is out the window, and emotion is taken over. For today's first tip, let me introduce you to my boss, Bethany.
Most people keep their cars for about 7 years, so it's like starting a long-term relationship. It's an important decision that can affect your financial goals for life. Tip number 1 is critical. Know how much you can truly afford to borrow. There are several factors that go into what a person can afford to borrow for their car, such as insurance, income, credit history, debts, and their other living expenses. We can help you determine what you can truly afford. Assuming we can get you pre-approved, we will, so when you go out to buy that car, you're making the smartest decision with your money. Tip number 2 might be my personal favorite, which is do your research. More people will spend time researching their next cell phone than they will their next car. And JC's got some really great tips on researching vehicles.
Always do online research because knowing the condition and the value of the car will help save you from a bad financial experience. Sites like Kelley Blue Book and NADA both collect mountains of data to help you understand the book value of a car. This will make sure that you get a good deal. You can use tools like Carfax and AutoCheck to make sure that the car you want to buy hasn't been deemed a total loss by an insurance company due to an accident or theft. If you're buying a car from a private party and you're financing through TAPCO, we can get the Carfax report for you. Once you've done your research, you're ready to buy. And that brings us to tip number 3.
Whether you choose to buy from a private party or a dealership, our TAPCO lenders are here to help guide you through the purchase. Whichever way you buy smart. If you're going through a dealership, we recommend that you do your research. Make sure that they have some great reviews. Also look at other consumer reports. A great place to start is our website. We do list our preferred dealers there, but there are other great dealerships out there as well. So the important thing is to just research them. The pros for working with a dealership is they're going to handle the paperwork for you. Not to mention, they offer warranties. If the car's a lemon, you might have a better recourse through them, as well as you leave the vehicle the same day. When members are apprehensive about buying through a private party, they shouldn't be. TAPCO lenders are here to help walk you through the process so you're making the smartest decision. We'll help you secure a Carfax. We'll help you look at the asking price to make sure you're not paying too much. And of course, you're going to want to make sure you get that car checked out by an independent mechanic before you purchase. Lastly, when you're buying from a private party, we recommend that you meet the seller here at a branch when you're financing the vehicle with us. If you're paying cash for that vehicle, meet the seller at a DOL office to ensure the transaction is done correctly. Well, there you go, the 3 tips for buying a car without regret. If you have more questions or need more information, give us a call or swing by one of our branches. We really want to put you on the road to happier banking.